This is the Highland County Press, Jim Maddox reporting. As you can see, demolition has begun on the high school and middle school. This is the former high school, middle school, erected in 1934, along with the gymnasium, the main building, and the auditorium, which all served in operation until 2009 with the opening of the new school on 62.
This is the addition that was added to the rear of the 1934 original building. It was built in 1965 and became the new high school.
The contractor awarded the demolition project is Demex, based out of Manitoba, Illinois. The gentleman standing over by the railing is owner-operator of Demex, Ed Fisher, and Ed informs me that he hopes to recover roughly $100,000 worth of scrap metal in this project.
That's a Cat 350L, which is the workhorse of this demolition project.
Mr. Fisher informed the Highland County Press that he expects the project to be completed by Christmas of 2009.